Hello, you guys, and welcome back. So, today we are going to look at ATOS stock update, and some people were asking me if the party is already over since everything is, a little bit changing and stuff. So, I was gonna show you how the reverse split is gonna work out, my analysis, and the news that which are out there. All of the information is just for your knowledge, and you have to decide what you're going to do. So I'm not telling you what's the right thing, so don't blame me if something goes wrong or something. So yeah, keep that in mind. So in general, we're back and we got another update on ATOS, and today we're diving into the latest developments, the reverse split, and whether the stock still has room to grow. But before we get started, I really appreciate all the support I'm getting, and yeah, feel free to leave a sub here if you want to, or support me to reach my next milestone and reach the 3K subs. So let's jump right into the latest news and break down what's happening with ATOS. And yeah, first off, I would say we have a look at the ATOS stock price update, and the ATOS stock has been hovering around 0.0041 ish for a while now, and it seems like the price is moving much. Many people are wondering, is the party over, or will anything happen before the reverse split on April 24th? And on April 23rd, it's going to be the last day to trade the old shares. After that, on April 24th, the reverse split will take effect. So for every 10,000 old shares, you will receive one new share, which will be worth around 10,000 times more. For example, if you have 100,000 shares, you will get around 10 new shares, each worth around 40 bucks. So if your old shares were worth 400 euros, your new shares will still be worth 400 euros. So essentially, nothing changes in terms of your portfolio value. So let's have a look at the risks and the opportunities of the reverse split itself. In the past, reverse splits at other companies have sometimes led to further dilution, where more shares were issued during or driving the price down. Short sellers also often jumped in, adding in on the downward pressure. However, with ATOS, the situation is different. Dilution has already happened, and the reverse split is more of a cosmetic adjustment. ATOS has also launched a share buyback program, committing to buy back shares up to the value of 50 bucks post reverse split. At the current price of 0.005, this would translate to 50 bucks after split. Essentially, ATOS is valuing its own stock at around 50 bucks, applying a market capitalization of 1 billion. So, what's new? The latest news for the ATOS partners with leading research institutes has just announced, and a research collaboration which several prestige organizations, including the Fraunhofer Institute of the German Research Center for Artificial Intelligence. The partnership focuses on the projects relating to applied security, intelligent information system, and open communication system. This is a great news for ATOS, as it shows the company is working with well-respected institutions. However, the stock price hasn't reacted much yet, staying at around 0.0041 cents. So, what's going to be next for ATOS? Well, the stock has been in a sideways trend for a while now, similar to what we've seen before at 0.0022 and the 0.0032. And I wouldn't be surprised if the price breaks the 0.005 before the reverse split, which would translate to around 50 bucks post split. After reverse split, though, I expect the stock to become less volatile and attract more institutional investors. While the price movements might slow down, I believe ATOS has the potential to reach a market capitalization of around 12 billion in the next 3 to 5 years, which would mean a 10 times increase of the current valuation. So the technical analysis, looking at the chart, the stock is trading above the 20-day moving average, showing a nice wave-like pattern. It's currently in a sideways consolidation phase, but there's potential for another upward wave for sure. So my key resistance levels to watch is the 0.004 upper boiling brand and or the 0.0053 recent high on March the 7th. And yeah, the supporting levels are at around 0.0032 and go down to 0.0022. And yeah, let's actually have a little look at the reverse split timeline, which is coming up. So here's the timeline in general for reverse split. So on March 25th to April 23rd, the exchange period for all shares will be starting and happening. And on March 26th, which is like a week from now, the suspension of leverage products like CVDs, options, and etc. will happen. And on April 23rd, last trading day for the old shares, will be out there. And then on April 24th, the reverse split takes effect and new shares begin trading. So let's hop right into my final thoughts, just my thoughts in general. Like you can have your own. While the reverse split might slow down the stock volatility, I believe ATOS will or still has a long-term potential. The company's partnership and the buyback program are positive signs, but it's important to stay cautious and monitor the price action closely. So if you're holding ATOS, consider your strategy carefully. If the price rises significantly before the reverse split, it might be wise to take some profits. Otherwise, holding through the split could pay off in the long run. And yeah, I would say that's all for today. And the update for ATOS. And if you enjoyed this video and want to see more, help me hit those 3K subs by subscribing to my channel. It will mean a lot to me. Otherwise, take care, and I will see you around. And until next time, bye bye, and have a great day.